I did something. I bought my own project car. So it was my boyfriend's car and then he wrecked it. So I asked Dad if we could buy it back and he said no. But then I finally talked him into it and we bought it, and now I have a 2010 Mustang as a project car and we are calling it Project Sally.
That's right, guys. Miss Sammy has bought her own project car. It's a 2010 Mustang V6. It's a base model with the 4.0. Sometimes as a dad, you just have to ask yourself, where did you go wrong? And I'll answer that question in the first video of this project. So if you follow us on Instagram, you're no stranger to this project because I have been posting pictures there. We've actually been working on this car for about a year now, and we just haven't released any of the videos yet. It's a 10 video series and we're right in the middle of part 8. And the reason we chose to do it this way is our schedules don't really line up that well. And we didn't want to make a video, release it, and then it take us another month or so to get another video ready. So hopefully starting around March, we're going to have a 10 video series set coming out on just this car. We wanted to make this video, first of all, to wish each and every one of you a Happy New Year. I know we're almost through January now, but we also wanted to let everybody know where we've been and what we've been up to here on YouTube. So with all that said, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the car. So as you can see, we've got the car covered up, and you can see the all the front end is off of it, headlights, impact bar, bumper, all that good stuff is off of it. You come around here, you can see we're working on another accident damage from a previous accident, not the original one that actually totaled the car. We've got our list here, and that's the way it sits. We do have the impact bar here. It's in epoxy primer. It's ready to be scuffed, sealed, and then painted. So I know you want to see more of the car, and I could have took the cover off and showed you a lot more, showed you the inside. We've done quite a bit of extensive work to the interior of that car, but you're just going to have to wait till the videos come out to see it. This is just kind of a teaser, so make sure you hit that bell, that way you're notified and you don't miss anything. Also, hit the like button on this video so YouTube will push it out for us. So with all that being said, I just kind of wanted to lay our game plan out for 2023. Like I mentioned, it looked like we hadn't been doing anything in 2022, but we have. It's just been behind the scenes. In 2023, we're going to finish Project Sally. We're going to finish the taillights on Project Fast Times, and we're going to finally finish these doors on Project Overkill. I know I've been talking about that forever, but I've got a video series coming out on just those doors, and it's going to be worth the wait. Once that's done, we'll get Project Overkill back in this garage, and I want to stay on it until we complete it. I don't want to deviate from that project any longer. It's time to get that thing done. With Project Sally sitting here in the garage has kind of been tied up. So I'm ready to get it done, get back on the Camaros. You gonna do your peace out?
What peace out?
Peace out like you always do.
I don't do that.
You do.
I don't do peace